wish I could stay, but I gotta go to class, so.
I hate him, and I hope he never comes back.
I wish that you could stay with us.
I hope you will attend, if possible.
Wish or hope? Do you know the difference? Take this interesting quiz and find it out. I will explain the difference at the end of the video. Let's begin. Olivia hopes that he will succeed. I wished I had said nothing about Emma. They hope that the next government will do more to keep the wheels of industry turning. Jimmy wishes he had never met her. I wished she had never played his bastardly tricks. He wishes Sarah was with him. I wish that I was younger. We hope that more women will decide to join the course. They hope that the republics will be willing to ratify the treaty. I wish we could treat each other without formality. They hope that the military regime will desist from its acts of violence. I wish someone had told me the meeting was cancelled. You hope that all your efforts won't go for nothing. Alex wishes you could have come with him. I wish you hadn't told him about the plan. We hope that further research will confirm their hypothesis. She hardly dared to hope that he was alive. I wish you wouldn't say things like that. Well, Mira hopes that's the end of the matter. They hope that we will join them in opening a new chapter of peace and cooperation. Wish versus hope. We used hope to talk about things in the present or future that we think have a good chance of happening. Wish is often used with the past tense to express a desire for something that did not happen or is not currently happening. When we say, "I hope I can see you again," or "I hope we meet again," you suggest that it may happen. It is possible. The noun clause that follows hope is in the present tense. However, if you say, "I wish we could meet again," or "I wish we could be together again," you suggest that it's unlikely or it won't happen. In short, if we don't know the outcome of something, we use hope. Once we know the outcome and we can't change it, we use wish. I hope I get a good score on my exam. I wish I had gotten a good score on my exam. If you enjoyed this quiz, please like the video and subscribe because more valuable content is on the way. See you in our upcoming videos.